Hey, this is Therese with One Mother, One Daughter, and this is Masculine Monday Maybes. So I'm running a little bit late with Masculine Monday, but since I decided to give you guys two cards. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm going to show you what I've done, tell you where I got it from, and that's going to be it. Okay, so the first card is Zodiac Card, and it is for the sign Leo the lion, and I cut into the paper and put gold paper behind it. I added some stars, and this is from Cricut Card Trick Zodiac, and it says Leo. I cut out some stars to go with the Leo, backed it with some blue papers, gold and blue, and I always encourage you guys to do the inside of your cards. If you don't have enough of the paper, cut out like some little small things or little lines that you had and bring some of that color from the outside into the inside, and that's what I've done with this card. It says happy birthday to my favorite Leo. Very simple. Men don't require a lot to show them we care. So that goes for men, male, boys. You know, they don't want all that flu-flu stuff. I keep telling y'all that every single week. And here I am again. There's enough room to write a message and stuff at the bottom. So that is the first card. And since I can't get off the theme of music, because I love music, it's in every single thing that I do, I also made a music card. And I use this note. I think it's called the treble. And I cut into the paper again, but then I stacked up 5 pieces, and this is from the quarter note on Cricut. I stacked up 5 pieces of red and inlaid the white. I used black stars. I used my design space to put the words and print them out. This is also printed out. What's that, cut and print? Yeah. So I curved my words, and it says happy born day, because your mom gives birth, you're born. So happy born day. On the front, there's a few stars on there. And on the inside, I followed the design again. It says to my favorite love song. So, you know, you have a favorite love song which reminds you of your love. So again, I use the colors from the outside to bring it to the inside. And it's very, very simple. There's a space to write and a little extra space if you need to say a little bit more. The words again are copied and print. You know, the design space, cut and print, copy and print, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to get through this video really fast. So, yeah, so you get 2 cards for the price of 1. There's no frou-frou, there's no flowers, there's no bling, and it's still a cute card. I'm kind of stuck on the stark white. I don't really like that. I'm having to try something else next week, but here are my 2 cards. So you can get a close-up look at them. And this, again, is Masculine Mondays. Maybes. Because maybe you might get a card, maybe you don't. Depending on how my body feels. So I'm a little late again. Well, I'm a little late this week, but it's still Monday. So I hope you enjoy the cards. I hope you try to make some cards and make it really simple. I always just go with, I'll find an image and then I'll try to add a sentiment, my own sentiment, and come up with my sentiment. I think if you can't find a sentiment that go with it, it's better that way. So if you do have a Cricut, you can go in and find an image to print out or to cut out and come up with something that reminds you of the image or someone that you might want to give a mail card to. It's really simple. We make it really complicated by trying to put all these diamonds and all this extra stuff on men cards, and they don't require that much. Not to say that they don't mean that much. They do. But they don't like all of that stuff. That's for girls. Okay, so don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave a comment to come and say, oh, really quick, I am having problems leave a response to my comments. So if anyone is listening to the end of this video, I don't have a way to I don't know what is going on with YouTube, but I can't reply back to my comments. So please keep leaving them. I'm reading them, and as soon as I find out what is going on, I will respond to each and every comment. But if you leave a comment, that lets me know that you came, because otherwise I don't know. But please thumbs up my video and don't forget to comment. This is Therese, One Mother, One Daughter, and I'm out.